Are you interested in becoming a robotics engineer? Robotics and AI are already everywhere, and in the near future, they will be even more commonplace. As a robotics engineer, you'll be creating the tomorrow we see on TV. Here's how you can get started in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Decide what area of robotics interests you. Choose a robotics field that genuinely interests you. Find out what education and technical skills are important by discussing the current robotics landscape with engineers. Step 2. Find education that matches your preferences. Learn the necessary skills through an educational path that teaches you on real-world projects. Step 3. Complete your education and get certified. Focus on learning everything you can about the professional world by taking advantage of your teachers, professors, and classmates. Step 4. Find a job and continue your education. Apply for opportunities at established companies with robotics programs to strengthen your existing skills and learn the intricacies of specialization. At PACE, we offer a university-accredited AI and machine learning program that will teach you everything you need to know about AI and ML. Connect with our admissions team today to get started. With our top-tier education, you can pursue the AI or ML career you deserve.